money counters, I don't gotta count it. Shop right in Versace, I'm fresh out the shower.
What you doing, YouTube, man? It's your boy Zay. And I'm back with another video. You heard me? I'm back with back-to-back bangers. You feel me? You feel me? I'm back with back-to-back bangers. This time, coming with a mukbang. Chick-Fil-A mukbang. And a story time. The story time I'm doing is my first time getting kicked out of school or summer camp, whatever you want to call it. So, you know, let's get straight into it. Alright, so first let me show y'all what I got. Okay, I got some chicken nuggets, some fries, it's the 12 count, high C, and I got Polynesian sauce. That's the best sauce. But, yeah, something into it. I have to go with this one. Alright, let me try it. Get that shit good. I'll get it out. This is weird. I ain't gonna lie. Situation weird eating in front of a camera, but let's get into this story time. I was like, this was some years ago. I was probably going to like 6th grade or 5th. Yeah. Yeah. I was Michigan. I went to school called Carson Academy. And it was on a Friday. Because we was all going on a field trip. I remember we was going on a field trip. And on Friday we used to go on field trips and they had to like fun on Friday. So I get there, it's early, it's early. I wanna say it's like, what time did they open? I think it was like 9. So, that was, we getting ready to go on a field trip. When we, like in the morning, on Fridays, we'd go outside. We'll go outside, but for like the field trip and wait on the bus to come, we'll just be sitting outside waiting. So, we outside, you know, day going smooth. I decide to sit outside with these 2 girls, you know, just being me, chilling. Literally, I know I was gonna get suspended this day. So, I'm sitting by them. I ain't saying that. I forgot who else was over there. It was somebody else over there. Cause I remember we was playing with the basketball. I forgot what game we was playing. We was playing with the basketball. So that go by. He moved. I stayed over there. And then these we over there. We just talking about how we found fun and field trip, and I think we was going to Action Territory. Action Territory. So then at this time, I'm like, they ain't talking about nothing. I'm gonna go see what my niggas on. Boom. They gonna do that. They ain't doing nothing. They just hooping in the game already. So I'm like, I'm gonna go back over there where I was at. Man, that was the worst mistake. I should have stayed over there at the basketball court. Because I'm back. Okay, where was I? Okay, so I go back over there. Like I said, it was dumb. The dumbest decision ever. So I go back over there. Into two girls talking. So I joined the conversation. Next thing you know, two, I don't know if they were transgender or just boys that was dressing like girls. I don't know. So I only say this: two gay people walk past. I ain't say nothing to them, cause it ain't my place to say nothing to them anyway. So, they walk past. Oh, girl, one of the girls, she said something. She said something like, y'all doing, she said something crazy. So the other girl, she started laughing. She's laughing. So what I said was, I was like, y'all didn't know. Hold on, forget stuff. Gay people had said something back. They said like, y'all better chill out. Y'all, no, they said something like, yeah, y'all better shut up before you know, yeah. So so I said this. I'm talking like to the girl. I'm like, ooh, I'm just playing. I'm like, y'all better chill before they come over, you know, and get on there with y'all. So what I guess was, gay people thought I was saying that to them as like, they better chill out type shit. They better chill out before them two girls go over there and try to, you know, get into it with them. So the two A boys, they tee up. They teamed up with all of them, I guess, but I didn't know they was talking to me, because I didn't say nothing to them. So I'm like, oh, they just talking to them, you know, the girl. Damn, that's crazy. So then they come around the fence, or it was a fence. If you know what Carson Academy is, you know, like the playground, the basketball court, all that. So they come around the fence. Damn. So the teachers was like, come on, y'all. Cause they over there, they on tip. I'm talking about like all the kids wasn't there, you know, all the kids was bunched up and they trying to fight. They looking for us or them. I don't know. So they're trying to get down. You know, I wasn't out there no more because I had went inside. I'm like, shit, I ain't got shit doing me. I'm like, I don't even want my name in this because I didn't have nothing to do with it. So let me go. So when I was out there, they yelling, they looking for him and shit. So like a few minutes later, we all sat downstairs in the basement because that's where the middle schoolers used to be, in the basement. So they like, one of my favorite teachers, Mr. Carl B. Man, who said it, man? Because y'all ain't finna go on a field trip. Who did this and this and that? Y'all ain't finna go on a field trip. So what? Shit, I ain't say nothing. So everybody thought it was me, for real. Like, I swear, like, everybody thought it was me that said this wrong. I didn't say it. Everybody like, dude, like, you know, like, they ain't saying my name, but they but they looking at me like, they looking at me and they saying shit like, if you said it, just say you said it, bro. What you saying? What you want for? What you doing? Why y'all going? This and that. I'm like, I'm being true to my word. Cause I know I ain't say nothing, so I ain't say nothing. I ain't finna, just cause y'all telling me to say no, I ain't say nothing. So, the girls, I guess they was already upstairs. They was upstairs in the office. So, I guess what they said was that I said it. They like, they said it or whatever. I don't know what they said, but I know they mentioned my name. And I'm like, so I'm still downstairs. So everybody downstairs telling me to say I said it. No. You better say you said it. What? You sound crazy. Yeah. They called me upstairs on the walkie. I already heard them. They, Cole, can you say Xavier up? So he told me, he was like, they want you upstairs, bro. Alright, mind you, I'm only like 12. So I'm like, they can suspend me. So, you know, I'm not. It's over. So, I walked upstairs there. They sent me upstairs. What's up? So, she told me, she was like, did you say this and that to him? Did you do that? No. And this was like my second year coming there. So then why they saying you said it and why your name in it? I don't know. I'm putting it on everything. I'm like, man, I ain't said it. I'm like, oh, my mama ain't said it. You know, my sister ain't said it. Oh, God ain't said it. They not going. Maybe yes, you did type shit. Cause I guess other people was saying that they said it too. That I said it. Other people saying that I said it. Nobody was even over there. I'm telling them the whole rundown. I ain't said it. I was over there. I ain't even say that they said it. I ain't said it. You know what I'm saying? So, then, I guess they had told me to get out. No, did they tell me? No, they didn't. So, I'm in the office. They meet the girls in the office. They say, we gonna suspend you. So they me? For what? Dang. Because you said that, you did that, So now I'm really mad. I'm like, bro, I ain't saying it, bro. When do I have to, I'm telling them, I'm like, what do I have to lock up? So then I'm like, I swear to God, Miss Kim, this is my nigga now, but she thought I said it too, she a teacher. I'm like, I ain't even said I said, oh God, I ain't said. She said, man, she said that on God. She said, when you say that shit like that don't mean nothing to me. Oh damn, she was like, she said you might not believe in God. I was lying. All I'm saying is, but I ain't said, please, I ain't said, crying. Like 12, I'm trying to tell them I ain't said, but I ain't said. She not going, so I get suspended. Long story short, I get suspended. For something I did not do. I get suspended. So, the whole time, they didn't get suspended. Did they? I take it back. I don't know if they got suspended. I think they did, but I think they only got suspended for like 2 days. I got suspended for a whole week, literally. So, They over there. They come back in a few days. I know, but I didn't care though. I was going to Atlanta anyway. So I felt like I was like, yeah, I feel like the man because I was going to Atlanta. And I didn't care. So I got home. They wrote the principal or whoever, she wrote a little letter saying that I can't come back for this and this and that for this long. And my granny came and got me. I remember this is when I had a joy. I get home. They instantly tell me, mom's called, my granny was like, tell him to put his phone on top of the refrigerator. I can't have my phone. I'm mad. Look. And I went to Atlanta, had fun, came back. Actually, I didn't even come back on the day I was supposed to come back because I was in Atlanta. And I remember I came back, she woke me down to the room. And crazy thing is, why the girls, right, that said it, why they came back and told everybody that they said, no, they came back and told everybody that they said it. They was like, oh yeah, I did it. My nigga had told me, like, and it's crazy because the story get crazy. My nigga, the one that was telling me to tell him that I said it, like, you know, like I said, he was like, man, if you said it, say it, man, then, man, you know, like that. He's the one that told me, my nigga. He was like, yeah, bro. He told me it's like a year ago. He was like, yeah, bro, they came back up here. No, they came, what did he tell me? Cause we was at Stonefire when he told me. He was like, cause we brought it up. And he was like, yeah, bro. He was like, they told me too, man. He was like, they said it. And he was like, they told me they said it, bro. He said, man, when they came back off their suspension, they most definitely told me. I was like, wow. I had a young nigga feeling. He's supposed to be my boy. But hey, that's funny. Because I just finished all this food. Just in time because the story is over. That's what happened, man. I got suspended, 6th grade, summer's camp, or something like that. Something I didn't even do. That's gonna be the type. Got suspended from school for something I didn't do. I was a kid. They had me in that room. Ooh. Yeah, man. That's the story time for this time. If y'all want a part 2, text me, comment, all that. Yeah, I got suspended from that school like at least 3 times. That's what took my 2. And I was thinking, so I'm gonna definitely get suspended like twice, not 3 times. It should have been the 3rd time, but they did suspend me because I was cool at that time and we was all cool. But yeah, that's that. If you want a part 2, let me know, man. And you know how that go, man. Just like, comment, subscribe, all of that good stuff. You know, repost the video. You know, I just dropped the video. Saturday, and I'm recording this video Saturday. So this video will probably be out Monday. Sunday. So yeah, you know how this go, man. NTBC out this motherfucker.
It's just advanced. spit out rockets.